Lou, Gaston, Gaston, Lou. I don't want to do a quick comment about your future wedding, but I am very happy for you. I wish with all my heart all a lot of happy because I don't know I don't know why to say felicidades, but I am very happy for you again, and Silvina too is very happy too, and I wish the better, I wish the best, sorry, I wish the best, and Silvina too, and our little future daughter or son? Daughter? Daughter, okay? And the best for you. We love you, and I will see you soon, okay? Bye bye.